Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss about factors that affect the intensity of an earthquake. As you know, in our previous lecture we have discussed about the earthquakes and general terms regarding earthquake like epicenter, focus, magnitude, seismic waves, seismograph and Richter scale. So let's move towards the next lecture. Factors that affect the intensity of the earthquake. The first one, magnitude. The second, population density and time of the occurrence. Distance and depth from the epicenter. And the last one, building material. Magnitude. It means energy released by the earthquake. When the energy increased, the damage is increased. Higher the magnitude, greater the earthquakes. The second point, population density and time of occurrence. The first, population density. Earthquakes in less populated areas are likely to affect fewer people than in densely populated areas. So cities can be more damaged as compared to the countrysides. It means where people live in large amount, these areas will be more damaged as compared to the less populated areas. So the next is time of occurrence. This is also a major factor. How? Earthquake occurs in night will cause more damages than daytime. Why? Because most people would asleep in night time. So, night-time earthquakes cause many damages. Third point or third factor, distance and depth from the epicenter. Distance from the epicenter, seismic waves reduce in intensity further they travel away from the epicenter. So in this picture you can see the central point. This is the epicenter. If this is the epicenter, so it means as we go further away from the epicenter, the energy and the amount of the pressure will decrease. Same in case with the earthquake, waves affect very small, far away from the epicenter. The next is depth from the epicenter. Depth means distance between focus and epicenter. This is also called the focal length. How much deep the earthquake is. If the earthquake is very deep, so it means it caused less damages. In general, deeper earthquakes are less damaging because their energy absorbed inside before it reaches the surface. Building material. Buildings constructed with wood and steel are less damaging than poorly constructed buildings with concrete and bricks. What it means? It means buildings that are constructed with the flexible and earthquake-proof materials, shock-absorbing materials cause less damaging as compared to the concrete and bricks.